In this episode of Mindful Meddlers, there we go.
And I'm coming this way, Lise. Whoa.
Whoa, a little carried away there, mister.
Hoping our neighbor's out, I hope.
Yeah.
Home. This is a lot quicker.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a long time since that's been opened up.
Yeah, it has been.
Went through last winter closed.
Yeah. The windows are in such bad shape.
Not
Really
for
bad.
long.
Nope, they'll be fixed hopefully this week. New day, taking
New day.
windows out again.
Yes.
We're gonna finish these up eventually.
We've got, what, 4 left.
Yes.
Like to do at least these 2 today.
Yeah.
This one and that one.
And we've already had the wall open, so we know that all the rot's
Yeah.
been taken care of. We took care of it when we took the fireplace out, so.
Yeah, we put a new floor plate, and we done a lot of work in that wall. That's where the flue went up and leaked and rotted all that out.
Yeah. And we replaced the floor there. That's in another video you can go watch if you want.
Yeah.
We would love for you to.
We gotta get caught up on our video and stuff. We've actually got a lot of video. They're just not edited. Do you want to see a video of some of our other projects that are going on? Because we've got a few odds and ends happening that take a lot of time. We've just been videoing this for some reason, but we got a few other projects if you're interested.
Let us know in the comments.
So we actually spend what, maybe 4 to 6 hours a week here on Saturdays.
Yeah, usually on Saturdays, yeah.
And then we skip a month or two. We've done that a few times because we're working on other things. Now we're back to this. And there's no good way to get these out of there without taking the siding off. And we're not wanting to do the siding yet. We're going to have to take the whole outside down to the 2x and rewrap it and stuff eventually.
That's expensive though.
It's expensive and we're not ready.
We don't have the funds saved up to do that.
Or the time to tear into that. We like littler projects like this that we can do here. Anyway, we're doing it this way. We'll come back and have to clean up around the windows a little bit and re-side against them, but that's all right. That's just the way we roll. Now I gotta get this out of there some way. I'm gonna go outside and pull this bead out and see if I can't pop that glass.
A lot of them were so bad that they took, was it like butyl tape or something?
Some kind of something.
And put around them because I'm assuming they were falling out.
Yeah.
The windows were. And so they caulked them in some way, and those were hard to get out, which these are too, but those were really hard. Hello.
Hello. This is a lot better area to work than over there. Just crack that one. See that?
I could hear
Got
it.
crack right there.
Uh-huh. Ugh.
We may get lucky and get this one out of there.
It might be a little easier than the others were. There we go.
Good deal. Now I can pull that right on out of there.
Yeah.
What we've been doing is just getting the crowbar and pulling that whole frame out because they're nailed in back in here. On the side they loop around back up in there. And we don't want to take all this off, so it's just, they've just been pulling the nails out and pulling them over. So I'll cut this piece of caulk and get my crowbar in there and pull that out of there. We'll have a window in there in no time. And I'm coming this way, Lace.
And the 1985 window is going to be gone.
It's gone.
Hopefully the 2025 window is going to be a lot more efficient.
Oh yeah, this is good down there, it looks like. That is good. Pulls those nails right out.
Yeah. Yep, the frame and everything just pops right out of there.
Pulls them out of there.
And it doesn't harm the siding that's behind it. Or the siding.
Not enough that we would care.
No.
I don't know. Never had one come apart that way. There, we're almost ready for the window.
Yeah. Of course, in mobile home fashion, though, they have all these little nails everywhere.
Not as many as they have.
No. True.
I'm just going to drive them in.
One of those on the other side that we just did was it was loaded with them.
Yeah, we probably pulled 100 of them out of there. Or more.
Probably. It was a bunch. It's like someone just wanted to empty their nail gun or something.
I need to caulk that before I do this. I think. I believe that'll work.
Good deal. Looks good.
Yeah, that'll be a lot better. I think I want to caulk behind it though, right up here.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea too.
Another little layer of safety there.
Got all the windows installed yesterday. We just didn't finish them up with caulking and sealing them in. So that's what we're going to do today and finish them up. The windows fit pretty good to what it was framed out, but then our siding isn't completely where it needed to be, but it's not bad, doable. But that's gonna look 100% better.
That's not the one. It's still on.
Goes to the other window.
There we go.
These pieces actually came from the bigger windows that we installed, and we didn't use them on those windows, didn't need them. We're just luckily we kept them and they work for these windows. And they snap right in, right?
You're supposed to.
Yay! Looks good. Yeah.
He really changed the looks of the place because it had them old brown windows in here, brown framed. Just made it look,
Yeah, 40-year-old.
yeah, made it look a lot different. At least I think it did.
I think so too.
There.
Good deal. Looks good. So now we're just gonna do the same thing on all the other three.
Yep. There.
Those are done. Those were already done. Yay. Got a good seal around them. That's good.
Yeah. Oh.
Whoa. A little carried away there, mister. So it's a beautiful day here in December in Missouri. We decided to burn our leaves out. We usually do this in the spring, but we had a little extra time today and after the window install and thought we would burn the leaves out of the fence, and it needs it. Yeah.
home.